Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Backgear 1400 mattress. This is a roll-up mattress that's available in two sizes, a 4'6" and a 5'. The Backgear mattress features 1,400 individual pocket springs which are designed to provide superb support and minimise sleep disturbance. It is then topped with a V.85 visco foam which is known for its amazing full body support, optimal pressure relief and excellent spinal alignment. This is a turn-free mattress that requires regular rotation. This can be done easily with the aid of the built-in side handles. We also have a foam wall encasement which provides reinforced edge-to-edge support that eliminates side sagging, making this the perfect mattress choice for side sleepers. We have 7 support zones built into this mattress and these follow your body contour, providing 7 different relief zones. This mattress has a medium to firm comfort rating. So as mentioned, this is a roll-up mattress, which means it comes vacuum packed for easy transportation. This mattress also offers a 5-year warranty. Treat yourself to the best night's sleep with the Backgear 1400 mattress by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.